as you know that it is our science project class. So first of all, whatever I had told already, that is project will carry 5 marks, and in the term 1 exam it will be added. In the term 1, you all know that there are 10 marks for internal assessment. So in between this internal assessment, 5 marks will be the project and 5 marks will be the weightage of PA1 and term 1 pre-board exam. Okay, so today I will tell about the project from science. So all the teachers, those who take science for class 10, uh, from physics, chemistry and biology, you have to do the project from biology topic. From chapter 6, I will give the project. Okay, so
Okay,
the
ma'am.
topic the topic will be digestive system, human digestive system, and whatever you should write, just see. See,
Ma'am, it is hazy.
okay, wait. Students, let's see what should you do in your project work. So see, see, your topic is human digestive system. So you have to make the project on human digestive system. First of all, you have to take the A4 size pages. You will use A4 size pages. Okay. And
Okay, ma'am.
you can use the channel file. You can use the channel file and you will use A4 size pages. The topic name will be human digestive system. What will be the cover page? I am saying it at last. Okay. At first I am saying about what will you write. So in the first page, and you will take only white pages. Okay. Only white pages. Don't take any ruled page. You will take A4 size white page only. In the first page, you will give this heading and then you have to write introduction about human digestive system. You can take help from Google. You will write some lines, means 4 to 5 lines as the introduction for human digestive system. Okay. After that, next point, that is point number 2. So it will be started after the introduction. You should keep one scale, means just like 1-inch gap after introduction. Then you will start parts of digestive system. You can write the points. You can write these points by color sketch pen also, but don't use any green or red pen or red sketch pen. Okay, don't use any red or green or orange, pink, this type of colors you will not use. Okay. So second point will be parts of digestive system. In these parts of digestive system, you have to mention this alimentary canal and associated gland. Okay. So in the alimentary canal, you should mention this mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. These 5 should be mentioned, and some points or some lines you have to write also for these 5 or these 5 parts. Okay. So this alimentary canal should cover 1 or 1.5 page. And here this mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. You should describe this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
After that there will be associated gland. For associated gland, you have to mention this 4: salivary gland, gastric gland, liver and pancreas. So for this also you will use 1 or 1.5 page, and along with writing these salivary gland, gastric gland, liver and pancreas, you can attach picture of this also. You have to draw that picture, okay? No picture you will stick by doing printout. Okay, only you have to draw. Only you have to draw. Remember this. Only you have to
Ma'am,
draw. So
ma'am, it is
yes,
compulsory.
yes, it is compulsory. Drawing is
Okay,
compulsory.
ma'am.
Without drawing, the project is incomplete for science. Without drawing, the project is incomplete. Okay.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
so here the second point is completed parts of digestive system. So, introduction will be in the first page. Then parts of digestive system you can do in the first page also, but alimentary canal will be 2 to 3 pages, means page number. Okay, page number 2 to 3 there will be alimentary canal, and page number 4 to 5 there will be associated gland. So here the project till now it has 5 pages. After that you will go to the next point, that is steps of nutrition, or steps of nutrition, or steps of digestion. You can also write steps of digestion. Okay, don't write nutrition, you write steps of digestion. So here 5 points will be there: ingestion, digestion, absorption. Points for these all 5 points, you have to write some. You have to describe in 2 to 3 sentences or more than whatever you can. Means in the class timing, in the class part, I had given one PDF and one PDF about this state. So you can write this information from that PDF also. Okay. So there will be 5 steps for digestion. That is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and negation. So you can write the definition of these 5 points also. Okay. So, and at the last, number 4, there will be conclusion. Conclusion. Okay. There will be conclusion at last. In the conclusion, what you will write? In the conclusion point, you should write the function of digestive system. Okay. Or one more thing you can say, that function of digestive system.
Ma'am, in conclusion, we have to write the function.
Yes, in a conclusion means you can mention this conclusion point or not. You can direct write function of the digestive system also. Anyone, you
Okay,
will choose
ma'am.
it. You can write you can write conclusion then the function of digestive system, or just remove the conclusion. No need to write. Then write the function of digestive system. Okay. So function of digestive system you will write by making points. Okay, by making points you will write the function of digestive system.
Okay, ma'am.
So I am repeating full topic again. See, at first you have to write the topic name, that is human digestive system. After that, in the first page there will be introduction. Then in the first page, after giving some gap after introduction, you will write parts of digestive system. In the parts of digestive system, there will be 2 points, that is alimentary canal and associated gland. In the alimentary canal, there are 5 parts, that is mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. You have to write 3 to 4 lines for each part. Okay. So in the page number 1, introduction will be there, and parts of digestive system, some introductory lines will be there in the first page. After that, alimentary canal will be there in the page number 2 and 3, and the associated gland there will be in the 4th and 5th page. It should contain the salivary gland, gastric gland, liver, and pancreas. Okay, you have to write 2 to 3 lines about these glands. Okay, done. Next, in the page number 6, you will write the steps of digestion. So in the steps of digestion, there are 5 points, that is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and negation. Okay. So you have to write the definitions of. So you will write these steps of digestion in the page number 6. Okay, in the page number 6 you will write all the steps of digestion. For all these 5 parts you have to write the definition for each. Okay, after that in the page number 7 you will write the function of digestive system. You can give the heading conclusion, or if you don't want, then don't write, just write the function of digestive system and give bullet or numbering for the function of digestive system. Okay, and now the most important thing, that the picture of human digestive system, where you will draw the picture, full picture of human digestive system. Wherever you are writing these parts of digestive system, means in the page number 1, in the page number 1, just think, whenever you are opening your copy, this is the cover page. Whenever you will flip it, then there will be 2 pages. See, there will be 2 pages like this. So here you will write the heading, after that introduction and parts, this all things you will write there. In this left side page you have to draw the picture. Okay, in this left side page you have to draw the picture, but don't keep this drawing behind the cover page, because if you will draw behind the cover page, so after the cover page keep one blank page. In this blank page, in the left side you attach, you draw the picture. Don't attach, draw the picture. Remember it, you have to draw this picture. After that you start writing from page number 1. Understood? Everyone
Yes, ma'am.
understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will tell how the cover page will look like.
Ma'am, I am asking one question. In the heading, can I
Okay,
use the coloring pen?
I
Ma'am, I
had told
am
already
asking
that you
that.
can use coloring pen for the heading and subheading. You can use the coloring pen for heading and subheading, but don't use red, so now I will tell about the cover picture. See, just see, if this will be the cover page, at first here you will write the school name, that is Sister Nivedita Public School. Okay, at first you will write school name, then you will give school logo in this side or in this side. Okay, you will give school logo. I will give the logo in your class group, so use that logo. After that, as you are doing the digestive system project, so you will print out a picture of digestive system and you can paste there. And the full cover page you can make by printing also. So you can use full printed page for your cover. Okay, so here it will be the digestive system picture. After that, here you will write science project file. Science project file you will write. Okay, after that there will be space. So in that space you will write your name. At first you will write your name, then your class, so see what you will write here. I am showing it aside, there is no such space. That's so whatever you will write in that box, at first you will write your name. At first there will be name. Okay, after that okay, then subject will be science, and at last there will be roll number. and registration number. Roll number till now you haven't got, and registration number I think you got. In the LOC you will see, in the LOC pages whatever was given for checking, in that PDF you will get your registration number. B by something, this was the registration number. Okay, and roll number, whenever you will get the roll number you will write down that. So I think in the Puja vacation will do it. I think after Puja vacation, CBSE will give the roll number. You will keep it blank for the roll number area. Okay. Whenever you will do print out. After admit card will come, then you will write down the roll number. Okay. You can use this cover page colorful. You can use white cover page. You can decorate from yourself, but don't give any floral things because it is science. Don't give any floral things. Just whatever I had told, that at first you will give school logo, then you will write the school name. After that, digestive system picture will be there. Then you should write science project file. Okay. After that, in this area you will write these topics. These all things. Now tell me if you have any queries or no. If anyone have any queries, then you can ask.
No, ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,